guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining me today again. I am going to do for you a few Dollar Tree cylinders. Now, my goal is to share with you on different looks that you can create using Dollar Tree cylinders. So I hope that you will love this project. Decide to become a subscriber if you are not already a subscriber, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. I think these are absolutely going to be beautiful. You can use them for your home, gifts, weddings, any event that you may have coming up. So let's jump right in. You will need one of these little Dollar Tree cylinder. You'll need a lid. You can use a Dollar Tree lid, or you can use this lid I hauled from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was 75% off, and I want to say it was around 60 cents. Now, this was a while ago. I bought that last year. You will need 2 of your Dollar Tree napkin rings. You'll need diamond wrap or some form of ribbon. I'm going with this ribbon that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. It's $5.99 and 50% off. You'll need scissors. You'll need glue sticks, your glue gun, and I've shared with you guys these gems that I hauled from Michael's. And this is what they look like. I've used them in a wall decor, mirror wall decor that I love the way that it turned out. So I want to use it in this DIY as well. Guys, so this is what it would look like once you've got both napkin ring on and your gems. I'm going to go ahead and move that to the side for now, and I want to start with these stones. I'm going to lay my glass down and make sure your glass is clean, and I want to start with adding it to the center of my glass, just like that. My goal is to create some flowers. So this is what it looks like. Absolutely love that. Now we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to create somewhat of a belt. So with this ribbon, you can see the sides are showing. So I want to go ahead and remove just one on each side. Just like that. Now I think it should fit perfectly. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some glue down. So now that I'm finished with my cylinder, I want to go ahead and flip that over and add a generous amount of glue to my napkin ring. So it looks like this. Now I want to take another napkin ring and I decided I'm going to go with 3 of these flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and place my napkin ring in the center. Just to be able to disguise my stems. Just going to create an arrangement like you would with fresh flowers. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love, you can see the napkin ring underneath. I love that. Just a cute centerpiece. And if you didn't want to have your flowers in, you can use it as a candle holder as well. All right, let's jump into our next DIY. Okay guys, so for this next DIY, you're gonna need the rectangle cylinder. You will need a ruler, scissors, pen, your diamond wrap. I'm going with gold. You will need a brooch or a pin. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks, and you will need this fabric that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. They sell them in Walmart, Michael's, Joann's. You will need one of your choice. Then I'm going to take my ruler and my scissors, and I want to go ahead and lay my fabric down. I want to give space to this glass so I can add my diamond wrap. So I think that's about right. Draw a line. Okay, so now I'm going to lay my cylinder down and add a generous amount of glue onto the cylinder. Take my fabric, tug on your fabric quite a bit. Decided I wanted to add a second piece of the diamond wrap onto this cylinder, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a generous amount of glue onto my pin and place it onto my cylinder. What it looks like, I absolutely love that. It reminds me of a dress, actually. I love the way that that looked. So now I'm going to take my floral, got to remove my tag, add floral. I love that. I think that's beautiful. And we now have 2 gorgeous centerpieces. So what you'll need for this next project, of course, your glue gun and your glue sticks. You will need some gems, and this is from Hobby Lobby. And it's $5.99, 50% off, or 40% off if you have a coupon if they're not on sale. Now, you can choose to do diamond wrap if you want to make it even less expensive. You can go with your diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. I'm going with the gems from Hobby Lobby. You'll need one of these Dollar Tree cylinder. You'll need one of the Dollar Tree candle sticks. You'll need a ruler, pen, and scissors. Now these are the little boards, and I got those from Joann's, and I'm going to use this as a part of my project. And I decided to go with 10 inches. This board cuts very easily. So once you've cut your board, I'm going to go ahead and slightly roll. I don't want to put a crease in it. I just want to roll it to the size that I'm thinking would fit inside of my glass. So I'm going to go ahead now, put it down inside of my glass and see how it fits. So it seems to fit well at this width. I'm going to go ahead and take my glue lay it down, hold the sides together, so guys, this is how it looks. I love that. And now I want to go ahead and add my gems. So I've decided to add some of the gems around the base of the candle holder. Now I want to go ahead and add a generous amount of glue. Okay guys, so these are my 3 Dollar Tree cylinder centerpieces. I hope that you do like them. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support. I love the way that these turned out, so leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are about them. I truly, truly love this one. It reminds me of a dress. All right, guys, thank you so much again, and I will see you on my next DIY.